Today I want to show you how to make aloe vera thick gel. Now how this came about is because I asked Father, I said, Father, when I was praying, I was like, I want to use aloe vera gel, but I need it to be thick. And so, this is what he showed me. You're going to prepare the aloe vera the same as you would normally do. Cut it. Whoa, cut the sides of it off. Come on down there. And you want to cut each sides of it off. Just like that. And then you want to take it. You see this purple part down here at the bottom? You can use the purple part. But I'm going to go ahead and just cut it off. Because that's just the plant beginning to heal itself. So you want to take it and cut the aloe vera in half. Once you get it cut in half, you will have two pieces. I will be using the thicker piece to begin with. This is a dough cutter, and I'm going to be using the edge right here to rake it. And all you do is take it, look at that, and all I'm doing is just pulling it down, and you can see the gel already. Okay, so let me just put it in a pan so you can get a really good look. And all I'm just doing is taking it and scraping it. And like I said, I was in prayer and I was talking to my Father, and I was like, how do I do this? And you know the Holy Spirit is our teacher, and that's what the word says. And so when you ask for something, be prepared for it. And I mean, it's amazing. According to Matthew chapter 7, verse 7 and 8, it says, knock, seek, and ask. And what does that say? If you knock, the door shall be opened unto you. Seek, and you shall find. Ask, and it shall be given unto you. But you have to ask believing that it's already done. And because I believed it, because I believed Father, He wouldn't deny me anything that I desire, that is in His will. And if He gave it to your mind, it's in His will. Okay. Then we're going to flip that. You see those nice wedges on there? And all I'm doing is scraping the aloe vera, going this way, just like this. Now, I'm going to show you this. And when you finish scraping this right here, you can take the aloe vera leaf and cut it up and use it on your face, put it in the refrigerator, and use it like if you have a burn, but you can't keep it that long because you done took all the goodness out of it. And this is what we're doing right now. I'm getting this last little bit down here on the bottom. I don't want this video to be too long, so you guys can go ahead and do this. And so this is the other one. I'm taking the other one. This is the other half. You see that? You see that? You see that? Well, can you see this little thicky flesh right there? Okay, let me work with this real quick. And all I'm doing is just pulling it. See that? Just pulling it, just like that. Whoa. Just pulling it. This is wonderful. And you don't have to apply pressure. Well, you got to put some pressure, but you don't put a lot on there. And I believe, Father. And this is what the Holy Spirit showed me. Because I wanted thick gel for my hair. And this is what He gave me. I said, oh, my Father is so good to me. Look at that. Okay, now, next step, we're going to take this. Oh, before I go to the next step, let me show you this. That, look at that. That is, look at that. Let me see. I don't want to waste all this. That is just straight gel. That's what you want. That's what I wanted, that thick stuff. So then you take it and you pour it in a mesh strainer. I had to get is what they call a fine strainer, a fine mesh strainer. And once you get that in there, it's gonna take a minute because this is thick. That's how you know it's thick. That's how you know it's thick. Look at that. That's taking a minute to get through there. Look at that. That's how you know you truly got some thick aloe vera gel. If it strains straight through, look at that. Look at that. That does look like little tentacles off of an octopus. So we're going to sit there for a couple of minutes and let this drain through so you can see that you don't get a lot of chunks, and it's ready for you to go into your bottle, just like that. And like I tell you, if you ask Father anything, ask Him believing that you've already got it, and just like that, it'll come to you what to do. The Holy Spirit will tell you just like that. Bam! I said, that was good. It was good for me because my hair, I like the aloe vera, and I'm growing all these aloe vera plants in my backyard. So, you know, if anybody want any baby aloe veras, they're good for your body too. And so we also drink this as well. So look at that. Look at all that goodness. And I'm still, you know, this is just draining. Trying to, okay, let's shake this one. Shake it, shake it. Ooh, yeah. Like, shake me through, shake me. Look at that. That's just gel. That is thick gel. Come on now, people. That is thick gel. That is thick gel. My sister-in-law called me. She said, girl, I want to use this. And I was like, you know what? The Holy Spirit already told me what to do. How to put aloe vera, that's so it can be thick. She's going to use it as a twist. Now, because it's thick, because when it's runny, it'd be like, running all over the place. So, okay. Got a little bit ways more to go. And just, that's not even, wait a minute. I still have this little part of the leaf to cut, and it's almost up to, I say it's a fourth of a cup right now. Just that little, just doing that. And look how flat that is. That just got all that goodness out of it, even on this one, right there. Just look at all that. That's just boom. And all this is gonna be in your hair. No popies. Okay, where are we at with the draining? It is good for your hand. That's why I like doing aloe vera, because when I'm making aloe vera gel now, it's just really good for my hands. So I'm just gonna take the bottom of it off. Take that. Look at that. That's good. And now, get around here. Look, that is the pulp that's left. So I don't want to contaminate it, but look, that is the pulp that's left. That is what you get when you use a fine mesh strainer. You know, let that finish flowing in there. So, I want to thank you for stopping by and watching me on how to make aloe vera gel. I'm going to sit that right there. And from there, I use a tinted bottle to keep my aloe vera. Look at this. Now I'm going to pour it. And I want you to watch. Look at that. If your aloe vera gel don't do that, it's not really aloe vera gel. Oh, another test. Look, I'm going to pour this back in there. If your aloe vera gel don't look like an egg, like the egg white coming out, it's not aloe vera gel. Watch this. Now that we got this all separated, I'm going to pour this back in here. Back in here. Just so you can see it. Oh, she's playing with the gel. Watch this. This is aloe vera gel. If your gel don't do like this, look at that. If your gel don't do the gel test, the finger wiggle world test, That's not really gel. Look at that. Or what they call that, slime lime. Look at that. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Now I gotta actually pour it back in here. Let me see if I can pour it on in here. Whoa! Look at that. And now it's ready for me to put in my hair. So thank you for stopping by to learn how to make aloe vera gel. And I hope you enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed making it. I'm gonna put that on my hands. And always go in peace and know that the Father is within you. The word says that heaven is within us. And anything that we desire, ask, believing that we have already received it. And you stay in that frame of mind and in that reference and watch it manifest. You will see what Father will do for thee.